Imagine walking down a quiet stretch of New Zealand coast and finding the shore staring back at you. Perfect stone spheres, each one massive, smooth, and unnervingly precise, sit half buried in the sand like a row of ancient eyes waiting to open. That's where our story begins, with the Moeraki boulders and the centuries-long question, who or what shaped them? At dawn, the beach glows silver. Mist hangs low, drifting across the tide like a wandering spirit. A young geology student named Mara arrives with her mentor, Dr. Cale Thompson. To her, the boulders look impossibly deliberate, sculptures carved by hands far older than any she can imagine. But Cale shakes his head. Nature, he insists, can be just as precise as any artist. Still, as they walk among the stones, Mara can't shake the feeling that she's trespassing in a gallery built before memory. The Moeraki boulders have puzzled visitors since the 1800s. Early settlers whispered theories of giants, meteorites, or relics from civilizations swallowed by time. But long before them, Maori storytellers had woven deeper meaning. They spoke of Arai Te'uru, the great voyaging canoe wrecked upon this very coast. The boulders, they said, were the gourds and eel baskets washed ashore, frozen in stone by tragedy and legend. To Mara, the story feels alive. The air seems to vibrate with it. But Cale wants answers written in rock, not myth. He cracks open a smaller boulder, one already split by centuries of weathering. Inside, the pattern is mesmerizing. Radiating veins, crystalline chambers, layers formed drop by drop over millions of years. Septarian concretions, he explains. Minerals gather, water evaporates, and the earth sculpts itself. Yet even Cale falls silent as an enormous boulder, 6 feet across, rests before them like a perfect planet fallen from space. The logic of geology collides with the poetry of legend, and for a moment, neither seems large enough to contain the truth. As the tide creeps closer, Mara notices something. Each sphere sits at a slightly different angle, as if placed, not by hand, but by time itself. Waves lapping, wind carving, gravity tugging, centuries shifting. Nature didn't just shape them, it arranged them with a patience no human could muster. Suddenly, the debate that has raged for generations, science versus story, feels too small. The real mystery isn't whether these stones are natural or cultural. It's how both explanations, woven together, reveal something deeper. Humanity's timeless need to make sense of the world, and the world's quiet reminder that wonder does not require answers. As the sun breaks through the mist, lighting each boulder like a lantern, Mara whispers, maybe the truth isn't carved in the stone, but in how we choose to see it. Thank you for listening. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.